Stop buying kitchen gadgets that just collect dust. This is SwiftHome Finds, and today we've got 15 research-backed essentials that actually save you time and money. We're talking everything from magic powders to professional-grade tools. You can find the best deals right now in the description, but make sure you hang on until the very end. Our top 2 spots are absolute must-haves for every modern home. Ready for a smarter kitchen? Let's dive in. Number 15. FryAway Cooking Oil Solidifier. Coming in at number 15 is a product that solves one of the worst kitchen nightmares, leftover frying oil. Pouring it down the drain is a guaranteed way to destroy your plumbing, and pouring it into a plastic bag is just a disaster waiting to happen. Enter FryAway. You simply stir this plant-based magic powder into your hot oil, let it cool, and watch as it solidifies into a solid organic disc. You literally just pick it up and toss it in the trash. It's a literal lifesaver for bacon grease and deep frying nights. Zero mess, zero clogged pipes. Number 14. The Titanium Cutting Board. Let's talk about food safety. Wirecutter constantly debates wood versus plastic cutting boards. Wood holds bacteria, and plastic leaves microscopic microplastics in your food. The solution? The double-sided titanium cutting board. This isn't just a cutting board, it's a medical-grade prep station. Titanium is 99% antibacterial. It never absorbs odors, and it won't dull your expensive knives. If you chop raw meat, this is a non-negotiable upgrade for your family's health. Just rinse it, and it's perfectly clean. Number 13. The Geedel Push-Down Food Chopper. At number 13, we have the Geedel Push-Down Chopper. Let's face it, chopping onions, garlic, and nuts by hand is tedious. Dragging out a massive electric food processor for one onion is even worse. With this manual chopper, you just slap the top. The internal stainless steel blades rotate and chop your ingredients in seconds. The more you slap, the finer the chop. It keeps your hands odor-free, keeps the onion tears away, and pops right into the dishwasher when you're done. Number 12. The Stainless Steel Onion Holder. Speaking of onions, if you want perfectly uniform slices without risking your fingertips, you need this at number 12, the onion holder for slicing. It looks like a metal hair comb, but it's brilliant. You pierce the onion, or tomato or potato, and simply slide your knife between the stainless steel prongs. You get paper-thin, restaurant-quality slices every single time, and your fingers stay miles away from the blade. It's cheap, it's effective, and it works. Number 11. 360-degree rotating Faucet Aerator. At number 11, we are upgrading your kitchen sink for under $20. You don't need to call a plumber to get a commercial-style sink. This 360-degree rotating faucet aerator screws right onto your existing tap in seconds. It allows you to point a high-pressure spray into the absolute furthest corners of your sink. Rinsing heavy pots, cleaning the basin, or washing vegetables just became effortless. It's one of those upgrades you install and immediately think, why didn't I do this years ago? Number 10. Meat Injector Syringe. The secret weapon of competitive barbecue pitmasters. If you are tired of dry Thanksgiving turkeys or flavorless Sunday roasts, marinating the outside isn't enough. You need the 304 stainless steel meat injector. This heavy-duty syringe allows you to shoot garlic butter, brine, and marinades directly into the center of the meat. Serious Eats confirms that injecting is the single fastest way to get moisture deep into thick cuts. This specific model is heavy-duty, rust-proof, and won't crack under pressure like cheap plastic ones. Number 9. Double Flavor Shabu Shabu Pot. Hosting a dinner party or a family dinner? Someone always wants spicy and someone always wants mild. Problem solved at number 9 with the Double Flavor Shabu Shabu Pot. This beautifully designed divided pot features an S-curve separator that is seamlessly welded. It's induction-ready, non-stick, and lets you cook 2 entirely different broths, soups, or hot pot bases at the exact same time without them ever mixing. It brings the ultimate restaurant hot pot experience straight to your dining table. Number 8. Smart Digital Food Scale. If you bake, listen closely. America's test kitchen has proven time and time again that measuring cups are horribly inaccurate. A cup of flour can vary by up to 30% depending on how you scoop it. At number 8 is the sleek, smart digital food scale. It gives you down to the gram precision. It features a bright display, a zero-out tare function, and a tempered glass surface that wipes clean in a second. Stop guessing with cups, start measuring by weight, and your cookies and breads will come out perfect every single time. Number 7. Dual Head Glass and Cup Cleaner is for anyone who hates washing dishes. You know that annoying residue at the bottom of a tall glass, a thermos, or a baby bottle that your sponge just can't reach? This dual head cup cleaner features heavy-duty suction cups that lock onto the bottom of your sink. You just slide your glass over the brush, give it a quick twist, and it cleans the inside and the outside simultaneously. It's the exact same system bartenders use to clean hundreds of glasses a night, now in your home. Number 6. The Clip-On Pasta Strainer. Let's banish the giant, bulky colander from your kitchen forever. At number 6 is the Clip-On Pasta Strainer. Instead of pouring boiling water into a massive bowl that takes up half your dishwasher, this heat-resistant silicone strainer clips directly to the side of any pot or pan. You just tip the pot, drain the grease or water, and your food stays safely inside. It is the definition of working smarter, not harder. Number 5. Electric Citrus Juicer. Fresh juice without the morning workout. Manual squeezing leaves half the juice behind and kills your wrists. This compact, motorized powerhouse does the hard work for you. You just press the citrus half down, and the auto-reversing cone extracts every single drop of juice while filtering out the seeds. It's fast, it's quiet, and it makes Sunday morning mimosas an absolute breeze. Number 4. Upgraded Sink Stopper and Strainer. Okay, number 4 might be the least sexy gadget on this list, but it is the one you will thank me for the most. The upgraded stainless steel sink stopper. Standard sink drains get gross. This 2-in-1 upgrade features a push-button stopper to fill your sink, combined with an anti-clog basket that catches every piece of food waste before it ruins your pipes. When it's full, just pull the basket out and dump it. It's a premium, sleek upgrade to your sink's plumbing for just a few dollars. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Corn Prep Peeler. Getting into our top 3. Have you ever tried to cut corn off the cob with a knife? Half the kernels end up flying across the floor. Wirecutter highly rates OXO products for their ergonomics, and this corn prep peeler is no exception. Its specialized Japanese stainless steel blade is shaped exactly to glide down the cob, removing multiple rows of kernels cleanly and safely in one smooth motion. It makes summer corn salads effortless. Number 2. Easy Twist Jar Opener. Now for the 2 gadgets we promised at the beginning of the video. At number 2, we are ending the battle with stubborn jars. If you have ever run a jar under hot water, banged it on the counter, or handed it to someone else in defeat, you need the Easy Twist Jar Opener. Designed with a brilliant V-grip shape, this tool uses basic physics and leverage to break the vacuum seal on anything from a tiny water bottle cap to a massive, stubborn pickle jar. It's heavy-duty, slides easily into a drawer, and gives you complete independence in the kitchen. No more struggling. UHIYEE Large Pizza Cutter Wheel. And finally, taking the number 1 spot for the best kitchen upgrade, the UHIYEE Large Pizza Cutter Wheel. Stop using those tiny, wobbly pizza wheels that push your toppings around and barely cut the crust. This beast features a massive 4.3-inch super sharp stainless steel blade. You grip the ergonomic housing directly over the blade, giving you total downward pressure. It slices through thick crust pizza in one seamless motion. Best of all, the blade housing snaps apart so you can actually clean it properly in the dishwasher without slicing your fingers. It's a masterpiece of kitchen engineering. There you have it, 15 viral gadgets that actually live up to the hype and survive the toughest testing standards. Cooking shouldn't be a struggle, it should be an experience. I've done the heavy lifting and hunted down the best current deals for every single item on this list. You can find all the Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Using those links costs you nothing extra, but it helps keep this channel 100% independent and data-driven. If you found your new favorite kitchen tool today, hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up. This is SwiftHome Finds. Smart research, swift decisions, your home simplified. See you in the next one.